Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog on my channel. Like I said last night, today I'm not doing much, so this might be a boring one. I decided to stay home all day just because I feel like for the past week or so I've been leaving my house every day. Excuse me. So I just kind of wanted to chill at home, start on some housework because I have a feeling I may be returning to work soon, and I'm saying that because I received an email basically saying that I was chosen to be a part of the first crew that returns back to work, but we have no date still, so I don't know how soon it could be. It could be next week. I don't want to return to work right away. One, because I just genuinely enjoy being at home and being lazy, which is kind of sad, but whatever. But two, I just don't know how the casino is going to operate, and I just feel like, I don't know, being pregnant is kind of scary. Being around all those people. If you've ever worked in a casino, you know how dirty the environment is. So I don't know, we'll see how that goes. But anyway, let's focus on some more important things right now. I need to start folding laundry. I have 4 baskets of laundry right in front of me right now. That's my goal for today, is to get all of these baskets folded and put away because it's a mess in here. It looks gross. So I technically have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 2 circle baskets here, and 7. That one is dirty right there. So I guess I should get started because it's not going to put itself away, clearly. Okay, so it's been a few hours later. I finished 3 of the baskets, which isn't even that much. I've been like on the phone with Savannah and watching Prodigal Son, of course. But this is all I've got done so far. The 3 baskets done feels really good though. So I'm basically just right now going to take a break and have some lunch because my stomach is growling really bad. That's not good. I have some of the noodles that my mom packed me from yesterday that me and Lamb went to her house to go eat. So I'm basically just gonna have that for lunch because I don't really feel like cooking anything. I also need to do the dishes today, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. But yeah, I'm gonna dump the 4th basket. I also have a big pile of clothes on the floor right there of things that I'm going to donate. So they're all clean. I just, while I was folding and I'm like looking at it, I'm like, I don't want this anymore, so I just threw it down there. I have to grab a box so that I could put that all in there. But yeah, so far so good. It's been going, it's been moving. Not as quick as I would like, but whatever. I decided that I'm actually going to go ahead and clean this entire room today. So here's a little before of all the mess. So yeah, this is my goal, to have this whole room cleaned at least 90% by the end of today. And I think I can do it. That will make me feel a lot better about the house. I just finished heating everything up. I know you guys just saw this yesterday, but figured I would show you again. This, by the way, is hot chili and oil that my whole family adds to like every dish when it's not even necessary, but it's so good. Also, I made this little glass of iced tea. Look at how cute the little lemons are. There's another one right here. It's really good. Nice and refreshing. I drank a lot of water today and I'm going to continue drinking more, but I figured I would treat myself to a little drink. I wanted coffee, but I'm just going to stay away from it. It's pretty dehydrating. I don't know if tea is, actually. It might be, but whatever. If you were wondering where this guy was all morning in the vlog, he was sleeping the whole time. How was it? I just got done eating and I'm going back upstairs now because I have more laundry to fold. So here goes. Wow. Look at this. I look a hot mess. But basically, the room is like nowhere near done. This is like all the clothes. Well, I've been putting some of it away, especially like Lamb's clothes, that I've folded so far. I have about 1, 2, 3, 5 more loads to go. No, maybe 4 loads of laundry left to do, which is insane. Like, we just took the first load of laundry out the dryer, but I'm never letting this happen again. Like, mark my words, because I am stuck here folding 10 loads of laundry, which is insane. I'm gonna have a baby soon, so I know that baby's clothes get washed like every other day, so I need to stop playing around. But anyway, I think I'm gonna take a break and edit my video because it's already like 10 o'clock and I didn't upload that yet, so I'm gonna do that. So I took another break from folding clothes to make more food. I make spaghetti and meatballs. I also made these zoodles in the back. Never tried them before, but I don't think I did it right because it looks gross. And I have 2 little side salads for us because I didn't eat any vegetables today, I don't think, which is not okay. Liam is actually downstairs in the basement cutting his cousin's hair, so whenever he's done, we're gonna eat. Figured I would just film a little update because that's what these vlogs are for. I want to show you guys this belly band that I'm wearing. Looks kind of weird, but it's supposed to help like support your back, because you guys know I keep saying my back is killing me. I think it might be helping. My back still hurts, but not as much, and I've been on my feet for a while. That looks weird. Yeah, it looks pretty awkward underneath of clothes because it's like split belly. But whew, it's whatever, it's doing its job. So I'm back up here now doing yet another load of laundry. Okay, so remember how I said I wanted this room to be cleaned like 90% by the end of the day? It didn't happen. It's about 2 o'clock in the morning and I did not finish cleaning the room. I kind of made it more of a mess, but an organized mess. And speaking of mess, look at my shirt. I did the dishes earlier and one of the pots were like super burnt and it's just, I don't really care. Anyway, this is what we got going on in here. Whoa, I almost tripped. So the couch is pretty much clear. It's just a couple blankets on there. I put away a lot of the clothes, but not all of it. This is a pile of socks with no match. All the drawers are filled with clothes. This is my donation pile that I need to pick up. Oh my god, all my hair ties fell. That's a pile I need to hang up. These are pants I need to put away. Those are Liam's clothes I need to hang up. I don't know what's going on here, but I have all these empty laundry baskets now, which is amazing. So yeah, this is what I got going on. Hopefully by tomorrow night, if not by Friday for sure, this room will be clean. That's my goal. Yeah, well anyway, sorry for the boring vlog. Told you guys I was staying home all day and that's what I did. But thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys tomorrow.